Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. dt I will put on the right, 3s squared we put on the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of s squared, we have 3s to the power of 3 over 3. The next one, we have 3t to the power of 3 over 3. This one, we have tan t, and I will put about c. Now we need to simplify number 3 and number 3. Next, we have the conditions. That means when t equals to number 0, s equals to number 5. So we need to put number 0 gone here, number 0 gone here, and number 5 gone here. And we can find the value of c, and c equals to 125 because this one equals to number 0. That's why we just have this one. 5 to the power of 3, we have 125. Now we can put the cube root for the both sides. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.